What's up, YouTube? This your boy Monster Tim, and today we're gonna do a big pack opening. So let's get right into it. Alright, we get some coins right here, 600. That's good. Hope we can pull like 100,000, 100K. Pay, A. You get 600. Good. Alright. Guys, if we get to 30 subscribers, I'll do a big video. It'll be great. I hope I get 30 subscribers. I'm at 28 right now. So people who are watching this, hit hashtag subscribe in the comment and hashtag lit. We're just getting 100, like 600, 800, 500 as well. That's, nah. These treasure hunt packs are like so bad. Or is it just I got bad luck? Alright. My team is OP. I got 199 overall on my team. I got 86, I think. But let's see if we get any luck in the pro pack. Alright, I can sell those players for coins. Alright, let's see what elite player we want to get. Let's see how much he goes for. That dude go for. His name is Spencer Long, right? Ooh, we get him 86 that time. Here come the jumbo pack, y'all. I spent 50K on this. Alright. 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 Oh, shoot. Oh. Too bad no 90 overalls. But what was that player again? Spencer Long. Let's see how much he goes for, bro. If I better not lose profit off this. Spencer Long. Yeah, he goes at least about 24K, 20K, 18K. Yeah, we probably didn't lose profit off this, but see y'all next time. Let me try this. Let me try this Larry Fitz drill real quick. Oh man. Alright, let me try on this Marquise Lee. Oh shoot, y'all. Went up by 2. Alright guys, let's see how much this player goes for. Let's see how much Jonathan. Wow, this. I'm just gonna type Hankins. Alright, let's see how much he goes for. Hankins. He goes for like 35K, 28K, 100K. Yeah, he goes about like 22K. But let's see that 86 Fitzgerald. Larry Fitzgerald. Oh man, Fitzgerald. Larry Fitzgerald. Goes about for 25K right there. 19K. Alright, let's see that Pryor. Here. Goes for like 19K. Yeah, he goes for like 19K. 17K. But that would be it for the video. Hope you will like and subscribe. The jumbo pack, it's really lit, but I only got like 95s and stuff. I mean 85s and stuff. So make sure you spam the like button on the video, and I will see you next time. See y'all.